Hey, so on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the Defy app and how to start playing. So first thing you want to do is go to the App Store. So you want to search for Defy Labs, and it should be this icon right here. So click on install. Once it's done installing, click on play. So you want to give access um, to your location because that's how you're going to be playing.
Welcome, operative.
Now I want to sign in and then sign in with Google. Then you just want to type in your email here. And then put in your password. Okay, so once you're signed in, then you just put in your whatever username you want. Then you no space. Oh, there. Okay, so it's gonna ask you to connect wallet. So if you're a scholar, uh, give your manager the Gmail account. And then if you're playing by yourself and you have a mask, you basically need to connect wallet. I'm gonna show you that on the next step. So to activate the mask on desktop, you just need to go to connect.defylabs.xyz, sign in with Google. And then you just want to enter your email and password. I'm on a really slow internet. So enter your email and then password here. And then if it asks you to verify your email, I guess it depends on your IP. Then you just need to verify it. I'm gonna verify it on my phone. And then connect your Metamask wallet. Make sure you're on the wallet that has the mask. Click on connect and sign. And then just wait for the mask to show up. There. So now you're connected. So once you've connected your wallet, you want to go back to the app. And then connect to FNET. Right? So currently I'm in Vietnam. So let's see how this will work out. But basically, wherever your locations you are, you have so once you're connected, right? So you have energy here. So you have 100 energy to start with, and then every action requires energy, and then it resets or you gain energy every minute, right? So first thing you want to do when you're starting to play is scan for the towers around you, and that's gonna cost you 5 energy. So just press and hold. So here's all the cell towers around you. So you can check for the security level. So if it's low, it's usually There's not a lot of wallets or FCOINs. So this one has up to 1,200, right? So you need about 25,000 in total per day. And then this one's a bit further away. That's high, so 6,400, right? And then this one has 1,200. So you're gonna need to basically walk around until you or ride a bike or a scooter and just go to the nearest ones, right? So for this tutorial, I'm just gonna try and hack this this low level one because this is the closest, and to show you how to first hack the tower, right? So click on slide to hack. Now you have to solve this puzzle right here. So it says 1137. So you need to look for those that number right here, right? One. Sometimes it will ask you to do a bunch more, but since this is low, it's pretty easy. And now you see those these yellow ones. These are the wallets. So you basically have to walk to each one of this to collect them, right? So if I go this way, that's where the wallet is, right? So I'm gonna go downstairs and start walking, or maybe I'll take a bike and go to that wallet, and then I'll show you how to basically steal the wallet. All right. So now I'm on my way to one of the wallets. So again, that yellow circle with a dot in the middle is the wallet. So you get closer to it, it should zoom in. Once you get to that highlighted area in the circle, you can basically start stealing the wallet, right? Forgive the footage. The GoPro was hooked into the in the motorcycle, and it's a bit shaky. So I'm pretty close to the edge of that circle. So if you're on a bike, you wanna slow down or stop, like what we're doing here.
Analyzing wallet.
And slide it to steal, right? And then you need some time. You see there's downloading data, and then once that's 100%, it's gonna show success.
Wallet stolen. Suck on that, future systems.
A success notification. So once you have a wallet, you can keep collecting them, and just make sure to stay in the boundary. And then if you want to bank it, you want to go over that border right here, that boundary there. So once you go over that, you're gonna see here,
wallets banked,
right? Wallet successfully banked. So that means it's once it's banked, you can start decrypting it, and then once you have enough, you can pledge it into FCOINs. So that's what I'm going to show you next. So once you're done collecting the wallets, you just want to go back to the main screen and click on this one. So these are the wallets that I have. So I only have I only banked 2, and I still have 1 unbanked. So I think you can only decrypt the ones that you have banked. So make sure before you solve all these wallets, everything has been banked already, and to bank you just need to get out of the zone. So we're gonna try and solve this one. So decrypt. So it's basically like Candy Crush, I think. Oh, how do you do this? Yeah, like that. Oh, snap. Okay, so switch this to, and this too. And this one. So I got 186, and then I'm gonna try this one. Let's see. Not. Okay. And let's try this. All right. So the max that you can get. So I now have. How much do I have? 273 right here at the top. So the max you need to get every day is 5,000. That's the max you can pledge, and then 5,000 FCOIN. 50 to 1 is going to be 100 DeFi. So DeFi is the one that you're actually going to be earning, or that you can exchange and cash out. So basically every day you can earn 100 DeFi, right? Right now there's no value, but once the token launches, then you can exchange it. So let's say you have 5,000 now for the day. You wanna click here to pledge, and then I think it's add AppCoin. So there's also a timer here. So basically it's when the server resets. So it looks like it's so 10 hours. Yeah, it basically looks like the same time as Axie. So I'm gonna pledge the 273. I think before, and then I'm gonna get 5.46 DeFi. But you should do the pledge once you have the max, right? Or when it's about to end. And then slide, and now I have 5.46 DeFi, right? So once we can actually cash it out, I'll do another tutorial, but for now you just basically want to keep collecting every day and try and pledge the max DeFi or FCOIN, which is about 5,000 per day. All right, thanks.